Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer files from an Android to iPhone, and trust me, the process is quite simple and fast as well. First things first, on your Android you want to head over to the Google Play Store, and from the search bar or the search icon at the bottom you want to come over to this search input field, then search for Xender. Now with this Xender app you can now send and receive files from Android to iPhone and vice versa, and this works pretty well. So make sure you download and install this Xender app into your Android phone. While it is downloading and installing on your iPhone, you also want to go over to the App Store and then make sure you download and install the app as well. So click on the search icon at the bottom and then you want to go ahead and search for Xender as well, and then proceed to download and install this Xender app as well into your iPhone. Once you have the app on both devices, first things first, you want to open it up on your Android and then proceed to set it up. All you just have to do is to agree to the terms and conditions over here and then click on allow, give it all of the permission it requires, and then also give it permission to access all of the files on your phone as well. That is basically all you have to do. Now on your iPhone, you also want to go ahead and open up the app, proceed to set it up as well, and then give it all of the permission it requires as well. So click on allow, click on continue, and you're good to go. Now finally, to send files from Android to iPhone, you just want to go ahead and click on the share icon at the bottom of your Xender Android app. Just click on this share icon over here, then click on send button. You can try to turn on the high speed mode, which we are going to be using in this video, but before we do that you have to make sure that your iPhone is ready to scan the QR code. So just click on connect to Android over here, and then just make sure you click on the send or receive option. I'll just click on receive to receive files, and then you just want to make sure that as soon as you turn on the high speed mode, you just scan the QR code immediately. So just turn on this and then click on continue, then scan the QR code, click on join. Make sure you do this immediately. So if you're scanning the code, it has to be pretty fast, and then just give it some few seconds now, and automatically both devices will be connected. Now to send files from Android to your iPhone, you just want to go over to your phone's gallery option. We have the gallery icon at the top over here, that is my phone gallery, and if you come over here we have music files, there's also video files, and just normal files. So if I want to send photos, I will just select this photo stick for instance, and then just click on the send button over here, and automatically they will also be received on my iPhone. So if I click over here, you can literally see I just received these photos. If at any point you had problem connecting both devices, you have to make sure that you scan the QR code on your Android as soon as it appears on your Android. So it has to be almost immediately it appears on your Android. You have to make sure that the scanning is actually ready so you can scan on your Android. And that is a simple way to send files from Android to iPhone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.